what we got in the mail today, Sestra. It's from Build-A-Bear. So Build-A-Bear is holding a get 2 ponies for $35 right now. And you can get the 2 new ponies from the movie online. So we just got this in the mail and we're happy to have 2 new friends. So let's see who we've got here first. So this is Tempest Shadow from the movie. What do you think, Sestra? I did not get her armor, so we will just pretend she's wearing cool leotards. She has a sparkly broken horn, and her hair is in a little plastic thing here. Alright, so here she is without the plastic in her hair, and I did brush out her tail a little bit. So Tempest is one of the villains in the new movie, and I do like the color of her eyes. It contrasts nicely with the rest of her colors. So what do you think of her, Sestra? Good? Definitely different? She reminds me of Sherbert from G1, and I think there's a couple of other G1 ponies and G3 ponies that have a similar color scheme. So maybe that's one of her ancestors, especially considering her real name, which you will know if you see the movie. So let's put her over here. Look who else we have. It's Pop Sensation Songbird Serenade. So I am not really a Sia fan, but I love this pony's design. So the colors are great, the symbol is great. She's just overall pretty. Let's take all of her stuff off. So here is a Songbird Serenade without the plastics in her hair. So she's just extremely cute. I think of the 2 of them, she is definitely my favorite in terms of just character design. But they're both unique in their own way. Songbird does have, her bow is attached to her head, so it's not removable. Well, Sestra, what do you think? Who's your favorite? You partial to Tempest? Well, that's cool. Sestra's wondering why Capper from the movie doesn't have a plush. I think she has a little bit of a crush on him. So Farley, we need a tiebreaker. Who's your favorite? Well, it looks like Tempest is the real winner in this household. Well, Farley says that they are both extra cuddly. So these are the new characters from the movie, from Build-A-Bear. You can get them right now for $35 for 2 ponies. So if you are a fan of the movie or you're a fan of My Little Pony, Build-A-Bear's My Little Ponies, then head on out to your store or go online. We'll see you next time. One little postscript, this is the actual favorite item from Build-A-Bear. The box they were mailed in.